I don't know. Yeah, yeah, but you're gonna, yeah. I would rather cut it for our two rather than.
Yeah.
That's not like that.
Yeah, alright, we'll figure it out.
Not full, but there will be some. But
Hey. Welcome.
Smart.
just get over.
What?
I don't even know.
When are you leaving?
What?
When are you leaving?
Around 5:45.
Okay.
Thank you.
Just check with your group.
Yeah, no, I'm
let
friends
them,
with them.
yeah, next to them or something, and then we'll
Yeah,
see.
yeah.
Otherwise, we're doing okay?
He goes, yo, what do you think?
Yeah, how are you?
I'm doing great, thank you. Thanks for asking.
With short shorts and like that. It's just me. Yeah, this is supposed to be.
No, I'm not.
I don't know where's the.
Yeah, he
I'm exhausted.
He said 5:30, right? He's like, 5:30.
What are you doing tonight?
He said it was early. Oh, no, I told him I got class till 6. But you guys are about to throw shots though.
I'm excited.
I get loud.
What is this?
Okay, let's start the broadcast, okay. Share screen.
That's me. What's this?
She's not here.
What?
She's not here.
Oh, yeah. She's like, yeah, why is he doing it?
Hey, how are you?
Good.
Good to see you. So what do you need to set up?
Just the Apple TV.
The, what, okay, so let me do you a favor. Conchetta, do me a favor. Go to the phone there and look for internet support and call them and tell them that we need to get it set up here, that they should come to 312. Thanks. Wow, you got here, everything worked out.
Yeah,
More than I,
there were a couple of traffic jams.
I know, I had it too, yeah, big traffic jams,
Yeah.
right, US one, I
A lot
got
of
it.
police also.
What?
There was a lot of cops, like, I saw like 15, police cars.
Yeah.
Come to room 28312,
Tell them what we need, we have Apple TV.
I have I have everything.
Thing, well, we'll need it, let them come. Okay, perfect. And what is the name of your website? Do you have where they can look at their company?
They can download the app on iGenapps.com.
Okay, but do you have a website that they can look at?
The website is, iGenapps.com.
iGen,
iGenapps.
let me just do it right now. Is there a Jen?
iGen, yes.
Jen?
And
APPS?
APPS.com.
This is it? Oh, let me get the laptop, let me just see.
Yeah.
All right. Folks, welcome. How's everybody? Let's get our name tags out. Conchetta, you want to do a roll for me? Put your name number 1, email. Let's do phone, and let's do, we should have all the proposals, right? Up. Who started a website? Okay, Zach, group. Okay, great. So we can do some of those as we set up. Also, what do we have? We have a guest speaker. He got a little bit, all the things that can go wrong went wrong on Monday. But look, this group comes back waiting for you, right? We didn't see you on Monday, but they're waiting patiently for you. So if they go to iGenapps.com, where do they need to download?
Yes, they can put iGenapps.com/download.
Okay.
And they can get the app on their phones. It has to go through the phone, so you have to download from your phone.
Okay, so you have to download on your phone. So it's iGenapps.com/download.
Yeah.
Let's put it here too. And we'll introduce you in a moment. What else do you need to set up? How do you need to, you can set up in the meantime. Let me go to course documents while you set up. So we can have a couple of things. So we can have a hands-on. A lot of you were asking me, how am I going to develop a phone app? I don't know, programming. Hey, this is our guest speaker. Hi, and he wants to set up. You want to let him know what you want to do. He'll help you set up. Basically, if you want to stay, he has a company where he's doing app development without programming. This is his company, and is allowing us at the University of Miami to use his product. We're testing it out, so he wants to show it.
Without programming, you said?
Right,
That's where everyone's moving.
right. So you're welcome to join us for this. And what do you need to set up here? You can help him when we go through this. Okay, so this is exciting.
Do you need internet?
You need it?
Yes.
Okay.
At least a Wi-Fi. It doesn't have to have internet, but
That's gonna be tricky, because UMIT blocks.
I have
There's a
my
certain-
own Wi-Fi that I can put on.
Yeah, because there's a certain protocol
Okay.
throughout.
Okay.
So you want to explain maybe what is happening? Maybe this can be a learning moment for us too.
So we have a security protocol called 802.1x.
that certain devices, need to talk to our authentication server. So Apple TVs are kind of a home product, so it's not really meant for such security. It's just, it's a problem setting it up.
Do you
Pardon?
need the HDMI cable?
I have VGA.
VGA?
I have an adapter. So I may need to borrow.
What?
I need to borrow
Oh,
that.
yeah, so you can go ahead. So,
It's kind of tricky getting it.
okay, so who's done already there, so what have you done? We'll start in the beginning of the class, Evan, so what have you done?
For the project?
Yeah, for the project.
Well, we've been trying to go through it finally, and,
You have it remote?
we started our website, all places talking off, we restaurant.
Yeah,
And, we started to put our keys on there, we put, the synopsis of what our product is.
okay.
And, I didn't publish the website yet, because it's not,
Okay, what I suggest you do, Evan, is publish it anyways, and then we,
critique is.
what?
Critique it.
Yes, so,
Better.
right, that's what we're gonna do, cause what,
You should just
agile
turn on.
development, so folks, when you're creating your website, we know it's not done, publish it anyway, so this way, we know that what we're gearing toward is the final product, and this way we can give each other feedback, and don't think about it as, I don't wanna get feedback, that's what we wanna do, rather than at the very end, we don't have time to make improvements, okay? So if you can do that, even at this time. Okay, what's next? Where are we? Jamie and Kelsey, where are we now?
Yeah, we did the proposal and we're working on the website.
Okay, and how, have we done, we're working, or have we, it's
It's
published?
but it's,
Okay.
like, still
If
working.
not,
Oh, okay,
I can.
perfect. And you're
I can
comfortable
use
with
my Mac.
everything that we're gonna be doing now?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. And what's up? Shannon, what are we doing?
We have to make a.
So you have to do it, and we signed off already on your proposal. Okay,
I guess it's
Colette, what are we
recording.
doing? I signed off, what?
Yeah, and then I was like the website last time, but I told you this.
You have or you have not? Okay, so when you can publish it in there, are we gonna do like the, your idea,
Yeah, everything about it, but it changes like the education thing. What's the problem?
Okay, yes.
pardon?
I'm in-
We'll talk
I'm in the
about,
classroom.
okay, let's talk about it a few minutes afterwards, okay?
what issues
What
are
do you
you
guys, what are we gonna do?
The same input A.
Yeah,
Uh-huh,
no, this needs a plug.
okay.
Power.
Yeah.
Pardon? Yeah, and how far are we on? Are you,
Micro USB.
okay, so we'll look at that. Okay, Michael, what's going on?
We had all the rules defined.
Okay,
Now we just have.
Professor,
Like
Okay.
the Android charger?
yeah,
We're working on the website right now.
okay, did we sign off?
let's see if she,
Okay, so.
Okay, and can remind me?
Music.
Okay, you're right, okay.
Professor.
Yes.
Do you have an Android charger? Micro USB?
Android charger?
Yeah, like a micro USB.
I don't think so. Do you?
Possibly.
Yeah, possibly, I don't think so. What do I have?
You wanna set up the Mac?
Okay.
I don't think so.
You can just put the AirPlay.
Mhm.
Oh, yeah, so what are we gonna do?
He's gonna set up his Mac,
Okay,
so,
all right. Okay,
but we still haven't gotten it on the internet.
all right. So what's going on? Eden, what's going on
Right now?
with your project?
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry too, what's going on? I don't know.
We created a web page as
What?
well. We also created a web
You have
page
it?
for ours. She has that.
Okay, it's up and running, okay.
Yeah.
It's like a rough draft so far.
Okay, rough draft, that's what I'm saying, we got it. Okay, and we're set, remind me, what's the project?
It's just basically like Skype for business with like an additional feature of like cloud sharing for business.
Okay, okay, we'll look at it, okay. And then Maddie, what's going on? You feeling okay? Okay, and then
Yeah,
we're
but
in
we
the same
wasn't gonna
group?
join the
Okay,
network, I'd
good.
have to load up
So what are we
profile.
doing here? We've talked about it,
Yeah, we're gonna start.
what, we're gonna start the website. Okay, and AJ, where are you with your group? What have you done since last time?
we're still trying to figure out.
Looks like you're connected. You might just have to,
Okay,
I got,
okay. And what's the next step?
let me know if you have any issues.
The next step, trying to get more than just 2 graphs.
I said that the cursor is on this side, so it's like.
Oh, yeah, you gotta change,
Okay.
yeah, you gotta change it to duplicate.
There's still something wrong with
Display.
There, can you speak up?
It like, it links it for.
You need audio?
It links it whenever you.
No.
No?
Press it, it doesn't link it, I guess it doesn't link it automatically.
Link or refresh?
Let me know if any more problems.
Okay, for the Wi-Fi?
Okay, maybe if you can stay a little bit, we can
Yes.
look at it, or, see it, or on Monday we can look at it. Okay. What else? Anyone else I'm missing here? So we're set? Okay. So,
Is it connected?
Yeah.
so what are we trying to do now?
Oh, no, he's all set.
He's all set?
Just connecting to the internet.
Okay.
To connect the same one here.
He can disconnect.
Can guess.
And you can do as guest.
You probably would have like 5 times.
You can try the airplay over there.
To use the cable.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, you know, cable.
So we're gonna. We're getting the same thing each time.
Let's try this out as well.
You like that?
So you're just using, so you wanna talk about the software that you're using Reflector
I'm gonna try using the reflector. Have you used it before?
or? Yeah, but in another, room. Did you use Reflector before?
Yeah, we have it
Yeah.
available. I don't think it's on this computer.
Right,
Yeah.
Oh, I asked her, and she like,
but we can't, can we use the regular computer and then we need his Mac, or?
If you have reflector, yeah.
Yeah, if you have Reflector, don't you have Reflector? Didn't we used
I-
to do that with, Modernizing Medicine, we have in another one?
Yeah, I don't think I have it on this computer. I was looking for it. I'll have to check how much licenses I have left. If I have one available.
So it's like if it's under a different network. So it's not on secure network, on the same one.
I don't think King's Guest is gonna allow it. So plug it back in, cause it didn't pop up, did it?
No.
System preference.
There you go.
Okay.
I got it.
So what do we do different that we got it now?
Plug it up, plug it back
I
in.
don't know. Yeah. Yep. It's right there.
Are we there?
Yeah. Oops. What happened?
Plug it.
We had it, right? And that, we have,
That's
should
fine.
have it now? Okay.
There you go. Okay. I'm not gonna touch it anymore.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me know.
Okay, thank you so much. Nice, okay, so Norman, you wanna introduce yourself
Yes.
with your company and we can see what's,
Yeah. Hi
Happening.
everyone. My name is Norman Ortiz. I'm the founder and CEO of IGN Apps. It's a mobile app to create apps from your phone or tablets. We have been in business for about 7 years now, and we have about 1.7 million registered users throughout the world using our platform. So I'm here to share with you how you can also build an app for yourself, for your business, for your project, and even share with other people how to use it, or start your own business of making apps in your local community to businesses or places around your area, and then you can charge whatever you think is proper for that business. We have a couple of users doing that type of things on our platform. So if you already have your phone here, have you already downloaded the app?
no.
You haven't? Okay. So please go to ignapps.com/download. That's the right here.
iGenapps.com, download
download, yes.
with your phone,
Or tablet if you have one.
yeah. So this will work on what devices, Norman?
This will work on any Android device or even Blackberries if they open Android apps, and also iOS devices. You should get to a page like this.
Yeah,
It looks very weird.
yeah, it does.
It's also weird
Here too. Okay. Don't worry about, create your app with,
I think it's the resolution.
uh,
Is it better? No, it's not better.
I sound better. I'm just. Okay.
Okay.
Is it, because they see it on their machine too, so that's okay.
Okay. Are we all there? Are we all having the app now in their phones?
Dylan, did you download it?
So the first thing you're gonna see is the registration. I'm already logged in, so I'm gonna tell you what it's gonna be. So you guys will see an email and a password field. You just need to go as if you already have an account, because I already have set up your account for every one of you with the emails that Sarah provided me. So it's gonna be, the password is gonna be business in lowercase, all lowercase, the word business. That's gonna be the password. So put your email address that Sarah has, and that should be the
So it's the
registered.
email that you have on your audit area. So basically, it was the email that you have on your audit area that you use, and then the password is what?
Password is business, lowercase.
All lowercase.
Yeah.
Now, right now, let me just ask you, Norman,
Yeah.
maybe you can talk about your company and basically what's your business model and why did they need to be registered? Could anybody, do you have a free version now or you do
Yes.
not?
Yeah, the app is free to download, as you're gonna see, and you only pay once you have your app ready, similar to what Wix and these other platforms for building websites do. So it's a freemium model, which people download the app free, use the app for free, and you can keep the app as long as you want for free. But then once you want to publish that app and be out there and ready for anyone to see it and use it, then you have to subscribe and pay on a monthly basis or annually if you want to prepay. So that's what most businesses are moving towards now, if they have a software as a service or they provide online services.
So how many users do you have now, active users now?
Active users that are paying about 2,000.
2,000 are
Worldwide.
paying
Are paying.
right now. And then
Exactly.
how many are using your app?
Actively using daily, we have about 3,000 to 5,000 daily active users and about 1,000 downloads every day organically.
Okay, and who's your competition?
On the web, On the desktop side, we have a few. We have AppyPie, we have iBuild app.
So,
Um,
so basically we have, let's write it down. So you have AppyPie is your competition,
Yeah.
right? And who else?
We have iBuild app.
iBuild app,
Uh-huh. Without the S at the end. Yeah, here.
and who else?
We have, the other one is Good Barber.
Good barber, like a haircut?
Yeah. They're from Europe.
Uh-huh.
And there's a few more.
Okay, but you would
those are
think that
things-
they're the main ones?
Yeah.
And how do you differ from these, competitors?
Well, most of these website builders are pretty much built for websites, so they have a cursor, they have a drag and drop experience, they have a lot of other functionalities and features that are more tailored to a designer than a regular user, right? So our app has been focusing entirely on who is a business owner, who doesn't have the knowledge or the time to develop or design. And we give them screens and we take them step by step through the whole process, providing them the right screens and the things that they can choose, but not making them a whole suite of design elements for them to choose from.
So who do you think is your major, who are you trying to target?
Our target is business owners who want to build an app for themselves. Also, millennials who are looking to make a business out of this by creating apps in their niche. For example, we can have wedding planners who want to make an app for their wedding customers, right? We can have churches, people that are in a church or a community or in a sports league or team, and they want to build an app for that team or for their children's team or whoever. So we have restaurant owners who want to have an app, and so on and so forth, like radio stations.
So
and many
small
others.
businesses or
Yeah.
small type of, and where is the limitation of the app? What can they not do in their app builder without programming?
Yeah. So apps.
Everybody understand my question is basically now what can you do? Because most people think I'm gonna go to a developer
Yeah.
and have them develop a mobile app for me. What,
Yeah. So apps are very complicated, and what I try to do is make it as simple as possible, especially for the small business owner. But apps are very broad, as you might know. You can build a game, you can build a flashlight app, you can build a database app that is connecting to a backend or bringing content from an API and so on and so forth. It can be very, very technical. But in the small business space, pretty much all the businesses have the same similar needs. Like they want to get new customers, they want to show their phone, their addresses, promotions, whatever they have as products or services with images or videos, and provide content somehow, right? Some cases they want to have forms, they want to have people to fill in information, and then once they have all that information, take action upon that. So we have provided all those things through our platform, and we also have partners like Shopify. If one customer have a Shopify e-commerce, they can bring all that content into our app that he built with our platform. If they have a SurveyMonkey or they have Google Forms or things of that nature, they can pull all that content and
and that can be
Build
free
it.
or that's already a paid service? If I wanna
That's-
do my Google Forms, I can get that.
yeah, those are free things that you can put in on your app. And we have only used so far partners of services that are either free or have a free plan somehow, so that our customers can have a more richer experience and more services to choose from that we cannot currently provide them, right? So we don't want to start doing an app to build e-commerce when Shopify is the leading
Yeah,
e-commerce. and
why
that type of thing.
you reinvent the wheel?
Exactly.
Okay, and what are your challenges going forward?
Challenges, I would say, like any business, is marketing. Like technology is so easy right now, and finding the right people is accessible, but marketing is the hardest part. Knowing who is your customer, first of all, knowing who is your customer, and then advertising to that customer or persona in the right way and with the right budget, and that's the area that most businesses fail in doing. And it's not because they have a bad product. They might have the best product out there, but if they don't know how to market it, then.
So how are you marketing it?
Well, we have these, pretty much because we don't have any competitors on the App Store. We do have this year a few on the Google Play. But that's not gonna last forever. So we have to start strategizing on how we want to invest and where can we get money to invest in marketing and have a budget for it.
And where's your company located?